So hey guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So again, today we will be learning some tips and concepts to help you get into a 6th grade advanced math. So the concept we will be learning today is called the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, so what is the Pythagorean Theorem? This is a very important rule. It only works with right triangles. Okay, so now let's take an example. Let's draw a triangle. Let me draw a triangle. Actually, no, there's a quicker way. So I'm gonna take a right triangle and upload it here and make one side longer than the other. I will do that. So let's assume that this is a right angle. Okay, this is a right angle. So now let's try. I'm gonna put arbitrary side lengths. This side length is 3. Oh no, let me create a new text box. This side length is 4. And our goal is we are trying to find this side length. And that will be called x for the moment. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what do I mean by that? In the Pythagorean theorem, it does not matter which two of the sides are a or b, but the hypotenuse, which is the diagonal side, is always c. So let's just make this b, and let's just make this a. Okay, so now let's solve for this and see if this is what the side length of x is. So I'm gonna solve for it down here. Let me create a new text bubble. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. So what is 3 squared? Well, that's 9 plus 16, which is 4 squared, equals x squared. So 25 is equal to x squared. So you square root both sides and you get square root of 25 equals x. That would mean x equals 5. And let me box this. That would be your final answer. Now let's try one more type of problem, but this is a little different problem. Let me draw another triangle right over here. So this time I'll make it like that. Okay, again, assume this is a right triangle. Actually, no, in this problem, we do not know if it's a right triangle or not. So I'm gonna put certain side lengths and we're gonna try to find out if this triangle is indeed a right triangle. I'll put 12 and 16. So let's see. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem again, as I mentioned up here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's write it down here. So that would mean 12 squared plus 16 squared equals, let's make that side, no, not x, reduce, z squared. 144 plus 16, 256 equals x squared. 400 equals x squared. So what is x? Again, let's do this again. Oops. Square root of 400 equals x. So x would be equal to 20. Oops, sorry about that. Let's just change the variable to x because it's easier to remember for me. X. So x is 20, which would mean this side length here, length would be 20, and then you would be done. Now we are going to try one more type of problem. Let me draw another triangle. Oops. Let's just use this for now. So let's create arbitrary side lengths. Let me just. Okay, so let's make this side length 13. let's make this side length 15, and let's make this side length 18. And let's see if this is a right triangle. So in this problem, we're trying to find out if this triangle is right. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem. So 13 squared plus 15 squared has to be equal to 18 squared. 169 plus 225 has to be equal to 18 times 18, which is 324. Oops. So 169 plus 225 is equal to 394. So 394 is equal to 324. So this would not be correct. And that would prove that this is not a right triangle indeed. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. Please remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when more of my videos come out. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.